As I walk through central London from Westminster and Big Ben all the way across to Trafalgar Square. And while I'm walking, I'm going to try to teach you all about articles in English. The, and an. Let's start the video. Articles in English, the, and an, are very, very tricky. There are many rules to learn, and often they're very, very complicated and very, very confusing. So in this video, I'm going to try to teach you how to use English articles accurately and simply. I'm going to give you some questions, multiple choice. You just have to choose the correct answer. Is it an, the, or no article? Okay, let's get into it with number one. The world's tallest building is Burj Khalifa in Dubai. Is the answer an, the, or no article? The answer is the world's tallest building is the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. But why? We use the before unique things, like unique buildings. But not always. You can see in front of me, not the Big Ben, but Big Ben. So not always, but very often with unique things, we say the. Number two, she wants to be astronaut when she grows up. An, or the. The answer is, she wants to be an astronaut when she grows up. We use a or an before jobs. Number three, it took him 10 minutes to eat entire pizza. Is it an, or no article? It took him 10 minutes to eat an entire pizza. We use an before a word with a vowel sound. Number four, do you know who invented telephone? Is it an, the, or no article? Do you know who invented the telephone? Use the before inventions, unique things. Number five, a man once built a robot that could solve a Rubik's Cube in seconds. Robot broke the world record in 2016. What are the missing articles? A man once built a robot. The robot. So we use a when we mention a noun for the first time. And then when we mention it again, we use the. This is why we use the for shared knowledge, things that the speaker and the listener both know. The first time we mention something, we use a or an, and the second and third and subsequent times, we use the. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. What's the missing word? Thank you. Thank you. The answer is Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. We use the for superlatives when we're talking about one specific thing. The highest, the biggest, the fastest. And the next one, she can play piano beautifully. She can play the piano beautifully. We use the before musical instruments. The piano, the guitar, the banjo, the ukulele. He ran 100 meters without wearing shoes. What's the missing word? He ran 100 meters without wearing shoes. No article is needed. We don't use an article with plural nouns or uncountable nouns when we're using them generally. I drink water every day. I love donuts. I'm crazy about cakes. So no article needed with uncountable nouns or plural nouns when we use them in general. In 2022, man balanced 100 spoons on his body. What's the missing word? In 2022, a man balanced 100 spoons on his body. Use a or an for an unspecified person. It doesn't matter who, or we don't know who. We visited United States last summer. We visited the United States last summer. We use the with some countries. The United States, the United Kingdom. Let's review. Use a or an when mentioning something for the first time, or it's something unspecific. A and an for the first time, the first mention, or for something unspecified. Remember, a before consonant sounds, an before vowel sounds. When we mention the same noun again, it becomes shared knowledge, and we use the. So the for shared knowledge, something that the speaker and the listener, or the writer and the reader, both know. We also use the for unique things, the Burj Khalifa, the sun, and for inventions, the telephone. We also use the with superlatives, the biggest, the longest, the highest, and with musical instruments. I play the guitar, I play the piano. Jobs and professions, we use a or an. Remember, a before a consonant sound, an before a vowel sound. Also, some countries need the United States, the United Kingdom, but most countries don't require an article. While I walk, let me put another quiz on the screen. Try the questions, see how you get on, and then I'll give you the answers. Number one, she wants to be an engineer when she finishes university. Engineer starts with a vowel sound, and it's a job. So that's why we need an. Number two, yesterday I saw an elephant in the zoo. The elephant was eating a watermelon. This is an example of mentioning a noun for the first time, and then mentioning it again. Use a or an when you mention a noun for the first time, and then use the when the noun becomes shared knowledge. We know what you're talking about. Number three, the Amazon River is the second longest river in the world. We've got two uses of the here. The Amazon River, because it's unique, there's only one. The second largest is a superlative. So two uses of the definite article, the. Four, people need water to survive. Water here has an uncountable meaning, and we're talking about water in general. So no article is needed. Remember, when we use plural nouns or uncountable nouns, generally we don't need an article in English. Number five, we went to the Netherlands last year. Remember, most countries don't need an article, don't need the, but some do. like the Netherlands, the United Kingdom, the USA. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you've learnt a lot about articles in English grammar, the, and am. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, the Grammar Go English Academy. I hope you've enjoyed the video all about articles in English grammar. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next English lesson.